Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a pirate ship. So first of all what you're going to need is oak stairs, planks, slab, dark oak log, oak fence, spruce fence, black wool, some trapdoor of some kind, and then lastly glass pane. So first what you're going to get started is you're going to put two oak planks like this. You're going to add a oak slab on top of it like this. Then what you're gonna do is add a oak plank on top of this. You're gonna add some stairs like this, and next you're gonna add two more planks on top, and then another oak stairs. So here we have made the front structure and the middle part of our ship. Okay, now next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a stairs on the side like this, and similarly we're gonna put one stair right here, and we're gonna just continue the structure downwards till it comes to this side. Next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a slab right here and an oak plank right over this side. Similarly, we're gonna make this structure over here. So it would go like this, then the plank, and then the oak slab. Now from this stairs, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch out about 12 blocks backward. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Similarly here, we're also going to do it. Now on the bottom, we're also going to do it like this, and similarly like this. Now if we come towards here, what we're going to do is we're just going to break this block, and we're going to take a stairs and place it, a bit sideways, and then we're going to add stairs over here, and we're going to keep stretching it all the way to the back. And as you can see, the stairs right here are about half a block, so it has curved towards the full stairs. And similarly here, we're gonna just break this, put a stairs like this, and then we're gonna put the stairs all the way to the back. So basically half of our main structure has been completed, and this is how it's starting to look like. Okay, so next what we're basically gonna do is from the hole right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place a stair like this, and then we're just gonna rotate it and connect it to the back, and it's gonna go all the way right here. Similarly, we're gonna place one stair right here, and then we're gonna rotate it, and it's gonna go all the way back. Next what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna take a stairs out from here. Sorry, not like this, and then we're gonna rotate it. Similarly, we're gonna do it over here like this, and then we're gonna rotate it. We're gonna place two planks right over here, and from here what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna construct a shape just like this. So for that, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna place two planks right over here. Then moving onwards, I'm gonna put a stair here and stair here. Similarly, one plank and one there. Then again some oak stairs like this, and for the middle I'm gonna start with the stairs, a plank, then stairs, and then another stairs, and then another plank. Here I'm gonna break it and I'm gonna replace it with a slab, so it goes like this. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna connect all of this, okay, like this, and I'm gonna just extend the stairs so that it goes all the way over here. Yeah, just like that. So basically our lower portion is also complete, and we have just two holes which we'll plug in later. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill all of this from above like this, and now starting from this side what we're gonna do is we're gonna raise a platform till this side, then we're gonna break it like this, okay? And it's gonna go just like this. You're gonna extend it about 4 blocks, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Or how about we just extend it to 4 and connect it like this. We're gonna lay slabs inside like this. We're gonna make a door over here, and similarly we're gonna break 2 blocks over here. We're gonna place a stair right here, a here, and a stair right over here. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add spruce fence, for some dark design, and it goes all the way like this. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 2 windows. Let me just clear the weather. Okay, as you can see, this is a window. Instead, let's just move it a bit right here. So let me just add the things back. So it kind of looks like this. And similarly around here, just like this. And now if we come to the back side, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna break these, and we can, do the same thing. And yeah, this is how our ship looks from behind. And what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna fix all of these windows with glass panels. And yep, this is how it has come to look. We're also gonna plug windows, not right now. We're gonna, 2 spaces apart. We're gonna break holes just like this. All of these are 2 spaces apart. Similarly, right here, 2 spaces apart, all of these will be plugged in. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use black wool, and we're just gonna fill in all of these. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place in trapdoor, and we're gonna make them like this. So this is how it looks from afar. This is how our ship has developed till now. And we can also, just add the fencing like this, like this. Okay. And next, what we're gonna get started is our, sail and everything. So it looks like a proper ship. Okay, now to make the sails of our ship. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here. On this side, what I'm gonna do is, firstly, I'm gonna place a stairs like this, and then I'm gonna pull it out 2 blocks like this, and then I'm gonna add another like this, and right over here I'm gonna add my dark oak log like this, and similarly from this I'm gonna 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th block I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna increase it up to 10 in height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm gonna increase this to 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now from above to bottom, what I'm gonna do is 1, 2, and on the third I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna stretch out 4 from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Similarly from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna break this, and I'm gonna, make it correct. And similarly on this, I'm gonna add it one here, and I'm gonna stretch it out 2 blocks like this, and 2 blocks over here. I'm gonna replace it like this. So this is how our masks look like. And next what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna start adding my wool on it. So our wool would be looking like this. So basically the wool serves as a sail for our ship like this. And uh, again we're gonna do it. We're gonna extend it another to the side, so it looks as if the wind is having an effect. We're gonna stretch it down to 3 blocks. So one, two, three. Yep, till here. And similarly what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend it also downwards and like this till here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect it to this, and we're gonna use oak fence for this because it looks like it's a rope. And now from the top right here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch it out. Instead, we're gonna go from bottom, and we're gonna keep stretching it out. Instead, we're gonna fix it right around here. So this is the rope, how it looks. So I understand it looks a bit weird. So instead of going it till the top, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stretch it from here. And yep, this is how it looks like. And we're just gonna drop it a bit lower. And yep, this is how our rope looks like. So basically the thing is my placement wasn't correct. So when you guys build it, you can, just make it straight. You can just increase this length and make it straight. So, it looks like a straight rope. And next what you're gonna do is basically you're gonna add some fences right here, and also make the sail for the front side, and it's gonna be extended a bit like this. And now if you move upwards, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add it 2 blocks like this. We're gonna add a wool block and then another one, stretch it out like this so it looks like as if it's a flag. Lastly, what you can do is you can add a steering wheel, and it would look like this. Where in my case I'm just using a steers. You can design it however you want, and you can also add lanterns if you guys want. So let me just place a lantern. Let me get some chains too. So here are the chains, and we can just hang the chains over here and add the lamps like this. Similarly on this side we can add it like this, and we can take a dragon's head and instead of this we can just put it like this. It looks a bit more piratey, or better. And you can just design it however you want, and you can add minor details. We can also add some lanterns right around this side on bottom of this. So let me just show you like this. Okay, so you can just design it however you want, and that's pretty much for this video. And if you guys liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.